raining a lot right outside right now.
And our connection is getting horrible. Like
Yeah,
horrible.
the thing, and I can't connect because I'm like losing Wi-Fi. I'm like on 2 bars.
So we're just gonna end the videos. All right.
Yeah,
so
there won't be
bye,
videos
guys.
for today because it's obviously raining so much. Yes, let me show you. It is starting to rain a lot.
William.
Sorry about that. So I just wanted to do this video just to inform you about why there's not videos, because this is probably why. And I got a lot of videos that were pre-recorded, like 2 or 3 or some
weeks ago.
Yeah, so I can like.
So just go watch those.
I'll be uploading all of them. Right. So I'm sorry. I didn't know that it was.
We have uploading duty.
Yes. And I have editing.
She has uploading and editing duty.
Yes.
I have no duty because my channel is messed up.
Messed up. His phone isn't right now.
Yes, it is. Shut up.
You should. Alright. I hope you guys like this. This video would just be like.
This looks
it'll
like
be music.
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty. Sorry for all of this. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. Good thing that I've been pre-recording a lot, so.
Drift.
So
Drift. Drift.
So.
Drift.
I've never been a sheriff before. But like at 3:40, I'm gonna be ending the video. I think.
What time is it now?
3:30. Actually, 3:35. 3:30. Actually, 3:32. Cause like, man, this is coming in real.
The Wi-Fi is horrible. Horrible.
Oh gosh, they just killed me.
I mean, horrible.
Oh no. It's pretty bad.
Oh man, I tried to land that. I'm getting a dirt bike for my birthday. Or for, not for my birthday, but for Christmas. Santa Claus is bringing me.
I thought you didn't believe in Santa Claus.
I do. I sniped the living daylights out of him. I shot up the butthole. What'll happen if I shoot these? What if I blow them up? These are called proximities. Watch this. Cool guys, don't look at explosions.
Dang it, the sheriff was me and I died and the murderer got away. Ooh, put all the pressures on me.
Alright, this how. Look, shine. Shine, look. Alright, so. This is my new scene. Cool guys, don't look at explosions. But what am I saying? Cool guys, don't look at explosions.
You should have put like 500 palms or something like that. That was just pathetic.
It was big though. I'm Willian up here. sliding down like I'm paddling. Dang, I wish I had a gravity gun.
You will soon if I can get a tablet or something to upload mods on it.
Do you have a phone?
Can I put my HDMI cord in? I mean my USB thing in my phone?
Yes, you can.
Where?
Pass it here.
Alright guys, gonna end this video right now. Oh my gosh, it's raining real bad, man. And I'll see you guys later, even though I'm about to be a murderer and I don't care. Bye!